came to the picture, when I was given the opportunity to have a brand that I can really call my own, Enigma was already there, the name Enigma was already there. But it was in its fetal form. It's there. Wala siyang, wala pa siyang personality and everything. And when I really came to the picture, I poured talaga all of my energy. Kaya ako missing in action social media last year because it's been in the works for more than a year now. Enigma, it's the word itself being mysterious, being, you don't know what's gonna happen, or yung sophistication and all. But Enigma is such a strong word because we want the brand to really be empowering. Me, as a beauty creator for almost 10 years now, hanggang ngayon, figure out ko pa rin yung makeup. Wala pa rin siyang set na, itong look na to, maganda to. And even when I do makeup on others as well, in my experience as a makeup artist as well, parang lagi siyang puzzle, you always try to figure things out. And I think makeup is that. There's no set, there's no right, there's no wrong. Every day you learn, every day you try to figure out something about yourselves. And that's what Enigma is, essentially. We really want to be that beauty space, not just a product, but really want to give this energy and this space for the community to really enjoy makeup, not take things seriously, make mistakes, that's okay. Yun yung mystery nun eh. Be mysterious, but also have fun and just really enjoy the craft and the art of beauty and makeup.